Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at Gateway API. So first of all, go to the agency level and then go to level of marketplace and search here Gateway and then install it. If you install it on all, if you want to install on the all the location, then install on agency level. Otherwise, you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case, we are going to install on all the location. So here I install on the agency. So here I allow and then proceed. So here you have to wait some time that the app is installing. So after the installation has been done, there will be a message show like app is successfully installed. So then go to the location level and search here gateway SMS and then click on configure button. So here you need a API key for it. So after this you should need an account. So create a gateway API account and here in the API you can get its API key. So click on API keys and it is by default. You can also create a new one. So here I click and this is your token. So copy this and after it paste it and then click on submit button. After this its credentials are saved. Now you can use it in the automation uh, in the workflow builder like there. So you can use this app in the workflow builder.